Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this particular video guys, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add baby hairs to your wig. Okay, so my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you know that you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider doing that. Okay, so we are going to add baby hair to this knotless braided wig guys. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the easiest way you can add your baby hairs to any type of braided wig. Okay, so for baby hairs, it's always advisable to use human hair. Okay, some persons make use of braiding hair, but it's always advisable to use human hair when you want to add baby hair. So we are going to start right from the beginning. So we are going to be adding our baby hairs following the holes that we ventilated before. I mean the holes. Okay, just when you are done with your ventilation or your braiding full lace frontal, so you're just going to be adding the baby hairs on those particular holes that we ventilated. So what we are trying to do now is to mimic our natural pores. Okay, when you look at your pores, okay, your hair pore, you see that some of them have 2 strands of hair, some have 1, while some have 3. Okay, so we're just trying to mimic that. What I'm trying to say here is that in each of these pores, just take these holes as your natural pores. Okay, so we are going to be adding 1. Okay, I add 1, just a strand of hair, and I skip a hole, and when I get to the next one, I'll add 2 strands, and when I get to the next one, I'll add 3 strands, and getting to another one, I'll add 2 strands, another one just 1, another one 3. Like, I'm trying to mimic our natural pores. Okay, not like it must be 1 2 3. Accordingly, you can do 1, do 3, do 2. Then you can do 1, do 2, do 3. You can do 3, do 2, then do 1, just like that. So that is what we are just trying to mimic here. And I'm adding this on those particular holes. I mean those holes that I invented. Okay, not adding it in a separate hole altogether. No, we are going to be adding it on those holes that we invented. So I'm picking a strand. Okay, when I add in one particular hole, I skip the next hole and then add on the next one, which are the holes that we vented. Okay, when we are making our braided wig, and I'm adding 1 strand. The next one, I will add 2 strands, and the next one I will add 3 strands. Like, I'm not adding maybe two strands all through, or 1 strand all through, or three strands all through. Like I said, I'm trying to mimic our natural pores, I mean our hair. Okay, that's what we are trying to mimic here while adding our baby hairs. So this is simply what I'm doing. I add 3 strands in a particular hole. Okay, getting to the next hole, I add 2 strands, and then getting to the next one, I'll add just 1, just like that. Okay, skipping 1 lines. Okay, 1 line. So this is simply how you can add baby hairs to your braided wigs, no matter the type of braided wig, be it frontal or be it full lace. Okay, this is how you can add baby hairs to them. Follow the holes that you vented, I mean the lines you ventilated before. Just follow them, follow your hairline. Okay, do not go in a straight manner, rather just follow your hairline the way your hairline is. Okay, that's how you're going to add it. And you can add a one strand followed by 3 strands, and then followed by 2. You can still add 2 followed by 2 followed by 1 followed by 3. Like, we're just trying to mimic our natural hair. Okay, so guys, if you know you are getting any value from this video, please consider subscribing, like this video, comment, say something nice. Okay, share this video out. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. If there's anything you want me to make video on, equally let me know in the comment section. Please like this video, Okay, so I will continue like this, okay, till I get to the other end. So just like I said, I add a strand, getting to the next one I'll add 2, then getting to the next one I'll add 3, getting to the next one I might add 2, getting to the next one I add 1, just like that. We are trying to mimic our natural hair, like our natural pose. Okay, that is exactly what we are trying to mimic here, because our woman pose doesn't have like just one strand of hair or two strands or 3. It's mixed up. Some have one, some you get see a pose that have just 1 strand, and you see the one that have like up to 3, 2, just like that. So that's simply what we are trying to create here. Okay, and make sure you are following the already ventilated holes. I mean the place, the same hole that you ventilated. I mean your hairline. Okay, those holes on your hairline, that's exactly where you should go. As you guys can see, I'm just venting on those particular holes. Okay, I ventilated while doing my hairline. So equally add your baby hairs on those particular holes. So this is it when I'm done like this. Now you can easily just reduce the length to what you want, and then use your hair wax and style it after installing your wig. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and please endeavor to subscribe. Thank you guys.